what we do in the morning when we come in the decontamination room. First of all, we put the cooling and ventilation on. Now, as you can see, it's on now. So we just do it like this. It's off. Now it's on. We check that this defibrillator and is still flashing green. So that's part of our checks that we check in the morning. And then we put on our PPEs as I'm wearing now. First of all, you wash your hands, and then you put on your bib, your mask, and your visor. And then we run the tap. All these are the dirty side. We run the tap and put it on the warm water, and we put 10 mils of this into this. 10 mils. Then we fill it up. We fill it up like that. It's 10 mils, and we put it in. Next, we run the rinsing water again on the other side of the dirty sink. So we scrub our dirty instruments, and then we rinse it, we check it, put it on the WD, and then it goes into the autoclaves. Again, we will clean the dirty side by spraying it on this and wipe clean all our surfaces. And when we do that, we take all our gloves off, all our PPs off, and then we put on a new one, and then we spray again and wipe all the clean area, just as we did on the dirty side. When we do that, we turn on the autoclaves here on, and we turn it on here as well. Then we do checks depending on the day, on the day. Mondays, every Monday, we do three tests on this autoclave. We do test 1, test 2, and test 3. Test 1, we just open it, close it, and press until we say T1, and then we press enter on this giant green button. On this one, we select until we see T1, and then we press OK, and then we enter. So that's what we do every Mondays. Then between Tuesdays and Fridays, we only do T3, and those T3 is using something like this. This is the correct way to do it. This is the T3 test, and we use a strip. And with this strip, you pull one out, open that, and we fold it like that. Put it in just like this. Zip up and put it in. Close it and pull. And this process is done Mondays and Fridays. So let me recap. On Mondays, we do 3 tests: T1, T2, and T3. That's this one, T3. And then on Tuesdays to Fridays, we only do T3. That's what we do, process. And when they come out, there is a book where we'll plug it in. Plug it in is wireless. For instance, this is the one that we've already done for the 2 autoclaves, something like this. So when the strips comes out, we try and press until we see a number showing on the screen. So we copy that number and write it on the appropriate record sheet for the appropriate autoclave. then we write it there, and then we peel the back of it. I will show you again for the purpose of this video. So when the tests are done and it's showing you here that it's ready, then you bring it out, you peel the back, and then you place it on the day and write the numbers that are showing on the screen onto them, and then you say if it's failed or it passed. Then you put your signature in. Hi, hello. My name is Patricia. This is the decontamination process in Parkview Dental Practice. I'm bringing this dirty box from surgery one, and we're going to go through the process now. Follow me down. Putting it down. First of all, I'll wash my hands. It's in the clinical box. With my elbow, I'll lift this. Some gel in my hand. I run it through water. I'm asking, for the purpose of this video, so you can hear me clearly. Again, I'll put them in the clinical bit. On my heavy-duty gloves, so I don't get sharp injuries. First, I'll unclip the lock and remove them individually and gently. Will be left on this side here, waiting to be cleaned. It does not go in the water. I'll get my long-handled brush, and then I'll scrub it away from my face. Okay, I scrub them and put them on the rinse sink. Yeah, you scrub this. As well, and we put them in this so as not to lose them. And we open this. This is the WD. That's where we put all our dirty instruments. Before we put it there, we first of all check under the lights, to make sure this one before it goes in. Yeah, in this case, it's okay to go in. The loose ones, like the rubber dams, the composite guns, syringes, and the tiny bits like something like a clamp. We always put them in the autoclave straight away because it gets used quite often. Tray here, place them here. So this is a perforated tray. So we need them like this. That needs to be opened to be able to clean properly. Push it back. I'm still wearing my heavy gloves because they are sharps. Close it. And start. So with this one, because they have polo and white. Then first, for any blood, for any debris, open that. In the appropriate nozzles, we close them and press start. So, this is what we do when an instrument is clean and still in the autoclave. First of all, I put on my clean gloves and I'm now on the clean side. I'm going to open, move away from it because of this thing. So I'm going to use my tongue to remove or to pull out the autoclave trays. Clip it like this with these clips, We're gonna go like that. Pull it out. And press the ball. Pull it out. So I'm just gonna cover it with a lint-free cloth, you know, to allow it to cool down before we can bag it. So cover it, and we'll leave it for a few minutes to cool down. Once it's cooled down, we're going to bag them on these bags, which is dated a year ahead, because all bag instruments stays 1 year before they are reprocessed and rebagged. So now again, I'll have to put on my PPEs, my visor, everything, and then I'll come back to the instruments that was cooling down initially. Now we are going to bag it. First of all, I'll take the lint-free cloth out. So in this practice, we are a color-coded practice where we use different colors to differentiate the the surgeries that we are working on. So in this case, we have green, and this is surgery 2. We'll start bagging. Like I said earlier in my video, all pouches are dated a year ahead, because according to HTMIO 5, bagged instruments can last up to 1 year, and then it needs to be reprocessed and rebagged after that. My examination kits, which is mirror probe and BPE probe. I forgot to mention that when sealing it off, you have to look at the perforated area, to make sure that you are bending it, folding it up from the perforated side of the pouch. So after it has been bagged, we put them in the appropriate clean box. Clean box surgery 4. These trays back to the dirty side. Place it back here. I'm going to take my gloves off and put them again into the clinical waste. Then I will wash that. Back again. Just want to show you, when you are in this decontamination room and there is a problem with the washer disinfector, autoclave, the hand pieces machine, or anything like that, the troubleshooting problems, all this here are information where you can call the engineer out. First of all, you call Darren, which is the engineer here, and he will come out, or he'll speak to you on the phone and tell you if he's coming out or what you have to do. So all this, so you call Darren first, and then you call the engineers, the etchman for the the autoclaves, and then for the hand pieces that we use. So that's numbers, and also the type of tray that we use on each side. Sorry, on each surgery, the red, the green, and the silver ones are all in here, for you to know. Also, what to do when you walk in, like washing your hands, keeping your hands clean, wearing your PPEs, and trying to understand that there is zoning in this place. That's the clean side and the dirty side. It's just to be aware of it, all this information. And on this side is about what to do at the end of the day in the decontamination room. So everything is in here, so you can breathe in as soon as you come in here. And in this one is how to keep the ultrasonic tip clean, and how to make sure it doesn't block. Basically, it's just loads of information of what to do if ever you are in doubt. And that's what they. And on this side as well is about these two autoclaves. What to do, what to expect. The signs that you see on the screen, it will show you everything. If ever you're in doubt, ask another member of staff. But everything about the autoclave here, the one on the left and the one on the right, you will tell you all about it. And in this decontamination, we use type B, type N and B autoclave in this place. So that's it.